Okay, I recommend disconnecting the battery. You can use either the positive or the ground. It's a 5/16 socket. Because I was just trying to remove this and the horn started going off. That's right. And my neighbor started yelling at me. So, anyways, I get it right up under there, kind of get like a good grip, and I also sprayed some WD-40 to help with the transition. And when I get it about this far, it comes out, but it seems to be hitting right on this corner right here. So, I recommend taking that corner, carving it out a little bit. That's right. Tricks of the trade right here. Carve it out a little bit. So this way when it comes up here, it won't hang. Ah, just got it. Hell yeah. There you go. Voila.